Oh boy, got a good one for you today. We're going to be looking at this huge garden transformation that we just finished off this week. Once again, it was designed and supervised by our very talented bosses, Josiah and Elliot. These guys pump out incredible jobs like this very regularly. Now, I can't stress enough how much hard work went into this hardscape. There's a lot of stone and a lot of things to move around. We have some very talented stonemasons and a very talented paver too, so those guys did an awesome job. We also did some lighting and some irrigation and other bits and pieces, bit of drainage and whatnot. But what we're all here for is the garden, so we're going to be focusing on that in this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Cheers. Now the garden itself will fill out very quickly. Here in this part of Australia we have about 8 or 9 months of growing season. The style is a little bit mix and match, however it's rather cohesive. We have an element of formality. We've got 4 hedges bordering one of the side fences and in front of the retaining walls. We've got a coastal element and also have a heap of Australian natives in there, some tough plants, some beautiful plants that flower. And finally, we wanted to take into consideration the view of the house. From the top level of the garden, you can overlook and see the ocean. With that in mind, we planted small growing trees, species such as dwarf magnolias and a crepe myrtle to the side. I'll come back and do an update video after a growing season so you guys can see how it's all going. If you guys made it this far, thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you next time.